Today we're going to revamp this squirrel feeder situation. These 3D printed ones came out decent, but they're going to be more for like little birds and stuff. I can hang them on trees or whatever like that. Then we have this piece right here, and that scrap. So we got a little bit of other stuff back there, but not much. Might have to go in the attic and reclaim some old plywood or something. But I think this will work fine. This is a piece of fence picket, which would make cutting this in half 11 by 11. Which is not bad. It's almost a square foot of feeding area. Well, we'll drill some small holes in it just so water don't sit in it. Stuff like that. And we'll make some legs for it and some walls for it with these little furring strips. Let's go cut this wood. Oops. This battery's not very good. Okay. We probably went a little overkill on this deal. Alright, y'all ready? Time to get nailing. Bam. Okay, now that we have a actual like feeding area, now how about we do some legs? So that right there would be awesome. Sometimes when you're in a hurry to do something and you just absolutely screw it up, well, in order to have a table that has legs that are angled, you must cut a 45 here and a 45 here on both ends, right? Well, come to find out, they have to go the same direction. So we're gonna have to cut these all off at the 45 there going this way because I cut them all exactly the same way. Let's do that real quick. Alright, now that we've unjacked that, looky here. Okay? Okay? That's so cute. Do we really need anything else? Dude, we need to do something with that, eh? That's a little too loosey-goosey. Let's go put a cross beam on all these so that way they don't do no loosey-goosey. Alright, we got them. Okay, maybe that's not going to work as good as I thought. But we are going to make it. Do-it-yourself bird feeder thing with legs on it. These sit absolutely perfectly straight on the ground. Awesome. Now, only question is, should we put some type of little roof over it? I think so. Let's try something and see if that'll work. Alright, so we attached some other pieces on here so we can put some better roof pieces on. And I think this is how it's going to be right here. Okay, that ain't gonna move. Alright. Okay. I think that will work just fine. Throw a shingle over it and lock her down. I'll be right back. Alright, look at my beautiful creation. There is a squirrel / animal feeder out of nothing but scraps and some extra shingle. I don't know, I just threw it together. Doesn't look great, but it's going to look fine for just sitting on the ground, letting some squirrels eat out of it, and try to keep some of the water out of it if it does rain a little bit. Keep it a little more shady or whatever. They'll be able to use it. Thanks for watching. Let's see if it works.